I mean, it's not a disaster, but it feels like it's about to be one. I'm actually really happy with it. Yeah. Hey guys, what's up? I know it's been a fat 6 months since I've posted a YouTube video, but I am back. I've seen a couple YouTubers do this where they, instead of like a day in the life kind of vlog, they do like a weekly vlog, and so I thought I would give that a try. So yeah, that's hence probably the title of this video. You guys could probably tell this is a weekly vlog and not a daily vlog, but anyway, I think the last video I posted was like a little life update video back in July where I talked about how I was gonna be starting a new job and I'm engaged and planning a wedding and all of that stuff. Those things kind of took up a lot of time in the past 6 months, and so I kind of fell off of filming YouTube videos. I'm feeling like I have more time to do other things as well, and also with wedding planning, we're pretty much done with all of the small little details. We just have to like confirm like head count with vendors and things like that when the time comes. But so we're pretty much done with wedding planning, and I'm also at a good place in my job where I'm starting to feel really comfortable so that I can start filming more videos. So hopefully I post more often now. I don't want to commit to once a week, but that's the goal. So a lot has changed since I last filmed a video, but with 2021 coming, I think a lot of people are feeling inspired now, and I'm certainly feeling motivated to do more. And yeah, so that's a little update. It's exactly 8 a.m. right now, so I've been working for about an hour. I start work at my job at 7 a.m. and I work until 4. If anybody knows me personally, they know that on top of this job that I have, I've also started a company with a good friend called UBORA Fitness. So that's something that I work on every day. Today is a Monday, so it's gonna be a pretty busy day in terms of like my workload and things like that. Monday is usually the day where I get a lot of admin tasks out of the way and a lot of the like just kind of like detail-oriented tasks that we have to have done. It's not super exciting, so I might not be filming much today. Good morning, you guys. So it's now Tuesday. I didn't really check in all that often yesterday, which is why I kind of wanted to film it in a more like a weekly vlog kind of format, so that I didn't feel like pressured to be filming all day for one day. I could just film for little bits every day throughout the week. But now it's Tuesday, so yesterday was a big social media heavy day for me as far as like my workload. Today is more administrative tasks and things like that. So again, it's gonna be another desk work heavy day for me, which is pretty much every day considering the fact that I have an office job. So but I'm thinking that I may try to show you just a little bit more of stuff that I do today when I'm like not just sitting at a desk, because that's not exciting. People don't want to see me sit at a desk. Yeah, I'll probably try to film my workout that I do later, and if I do anything exciting in between any of that, I'll kind of show you. But really, pretty much every day from about 7 a.m. to 4 p.m. I'm at a desk and just working. So that's not too exciting. Just sipping on this dandy tea, and I'm gonna start doing some desk work. So super exciting, but I'll check in with you guys later. Okay, so it's like 9:45 right now, and I'm feeling a little bit hungry, so I decided that I would warm up these little egg frittata things that I made earlier this week. So they don't look the prettiest, but they've got like eggs and spinach and onions and sweet potatoes and lots of really healthy anti-inflammatory foods in there. So I'm going to take a quick break from working and snack on those, and then probably get right back to it and work at my desk. So it's a little bit later. It is actually 7:30, and so after I got off work, I did a workout, which you probably have already seen if I edited this video correctly. And then Cam and I went to Target and we picked up a couple things to make those personal pizzas. So his is a buffalo chicken pizza, and then mine is the Bonza pizza. It's like the crust that's made with chickpeas. So it's gluten-free, and then I just added pepperonis on top. And we're gonna eat those and then watch a movie. So yeah, just a nice little cozy evening in. Good morning, guys. So it's now Wednesday, and I've just been spending the past hour and a half editing the footage that I have from the past 2 days for this video. And then I also edited a little TikTok about what I eat in a day. So go check that out. Another super exciting day, I know. I sit at a desk for pretty much my whole life. Isn't that crazy? It's so wild. Anyway, so it's like 8 p.m. right now, and I've just made myself some breakfast for dinner because it's really quick and easy, and I don't have to cook for anybody else tonight. So I made some eggs and bacon, and then these pancakes or waffles, they're waffles, are like the Birch's frozen paleo waffles. and they're really good and really easy when I don't feel like cooking. So I just did a workout. It's like already an hour before I go to bed, so I honestly might just go to sleep after this, read for a while and then go to bed. But anyway, I'm going to eat my dinner. Buenos días. Muchachalachas. Huh? Muchachalachas. Buenos días, muchachachas. Hey guys. So it's 8:51 and I'm in bed. And I thought that maybe, I would spend the evening doing something fun. But I worked out kind of late. And then I showered and I washed my hair. And then I made my little breakfast for dinner. And all of that stuff just took so long. And, I get up at 4:45 now. So it's about my bedtime. So I don't even know if I'm gonna do anything. Not very exciting stuff happens with me very often. That's today, and I think I'm going to watch some New Girl and then go to bed. So I'll talk to you guys tomorrow, which for you guys will be in like 2 seconds, but for me, that's like a whole 8 hours away tomorrow when I wake up. Isn't that crazy how how time just flies? Anyway, I'm gonna go to bed now. Okay, bye. I've just sat down to start working. It's about 7, well, technically it's 6:58. And I've just sat down to start working for the day and kind of plan out my day. And I'm feeling really low energy this morning. So I think I'm going to take today pretty easy and not schedule too many things to do. We're also most likely going to get a lot of snow this weekend, and we live in an older home, so the power goes out really easily. So I think most of today is going to be spent preparing and coming up with a plan for if we get a lot of snow and if the power goes out. I think we're supposed to get, on the news they said we could get up to 20 inches in total, so that's a lot of snow. So we're pretty worried the power is going to go out, so probably today is just going to be spent coming up with a game plan for that. So other than that ordeal, I am just gonna kind of take today pretty slow. I'm feeling really sleepy, really low energy today. I've just made myself a little smoothie with lots of good and yummy ingredients in there. So I'm going to eat this while I plan out my day and figure out what we're gonna do for this weekend. We have these little curtains that go up with the remote, which I love, but looks like it's snowing. Just a little. You can barely see it, I think, but yep. So now it's time to put on some music, and I am gonna sit on the couch, I guess, and try to figure this out, figure out what to do. I don't know if we should just try to wait it out and see what happens, but For one, I need to get groceries, and the roads already look like that, and so that's a predicament that I have. Need to get food. Need to decide what we're doing about this weekend. It's just like, should we just assume that the power is gonna go out and then pull the trigger and just get a hotel for the weekend? Or like, oh my gosh, I forgot about my milk. Currently making my dandelion tea, and I need to get like a saucepan for it because like a frying pan works, I guess, but not as well. Yay! Okay, what did I come back here to get? This is our backyard. So like you can see that there's not that much snow yet, but it's definitely snowing. There was some ice like right there. I think that's just ice that's covered up, but it's been frozen for like 3 days now, like since Monday. There's just been like a solid layer of ice on a lot of things. So those power lines right there are what I'm worried about the most because there's ice on them. But so far we still have power. Every time it's like snowed a lot or we've had an ice storm or whatever, if there's like any weight on those power lines at all, like the power will go out just because it's so old. I just feel like there's so many things that I need to do to be prepared for this that I don't really know where to begin. And Cam had to work last night, so I'm not going to be able to talk to him about it until later this afternoon when he wakes up. And he has to go back to work again tonight. I mean, it's not a disaster, but it feels like it's about to be one. So honestly, this is like the most exciting thing that's happened in a couple of weeks, just with like COVID and everything. I don't leave the house very often, so the fact that there's about to be this huge snowstorm and like we're trying to figure out what to do and all of this stuff, like that's the most exciting thing that's happened in a while. So that's why I'm talking about it so much. But yeah, I'm gonna try to sit down and get some work done. I really don't have much to do today or for the rest of this week. Just edit this video, which I'm currently filming. And then I do have some other like non-work related things that I want to work on. Like I showed you those chairs and I want to stain those. So I may do that later today. And then I also want to work on my vision board. So maybe I'll work on that today. But in terms of like things that I need to do for work, I've gotten a lot of stuff done the past couple of days. So I'm really just taking today easy. Most of my attention's probably gonna be directed towards figuring out what to do this weekend. But yeah, so now I'm just gonna try to get some work done and I'll probably catch up with you guys around lunchtime. So it's 11:11, actually, make a wish. And I haven't done much today. I've just been just organizing things, just preparing for the snow that's coming. But I decided what I'm gonna do is work on my vision board today. So I'm probably gonna eat a little bit of lunch first, and then I'm gonna spend part of the afternoon working on my vision board because I'm still currently waiting for Cameron to wake up so that we can talk about what groceries we need and what our plans are for the weekend. So I'm waiting for him to wake up so that we can do that. So in the meantime, I'm gonna work on my vision board. So I know that I'm a month and 11 days late for a 2021 vision board, but you know what? I don't care. I'm gonna do it anyway. All right, so it's a little bit later. I've eaten lunch. It's 12:30, and I've got my supplies to make my vision board sitting in front of me. So I'm just gonna put on a YouTube video and watch that while I work on my vision board. So that took me about an hour, but I've just finished and I'm actually really happy with it. So I've just got like a bunch of pictures on there, like goals of mine, and then some more like specific statements of goals that I want to accomplish. But I'm actually like really pleased with how it turned out. I think I'm gonna go put it at my desk somewhere where I can see it, and so it can inspire me every day while I'm working. So I may end up, you know, hanging it on the wall, maybe next to my calendar that I have, but I think for now, I really like it there, and I may like have to move some of these things around or whatever, but I think I like it right there because I sit right here and then I can just look at it right there. But I may eventually like hang it maybe right there or something, but yeah, it looks really good. I'm actually really happy with how it turned out. Now what I think I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and work out. Cameron is still asleep. I'm assuming he had a long night last night, so he's still asleep. I'm gonna do a leg workout. So I'm gonna go do that, and then hopefully Cameron will, I think that's him. You're awake. I'm filming. Hey guys, I know the lighting's not really good and that I definitely did not vlog as much as I was planning on doing. Cameron woke up and it was like 3 o'clock, and so I just got so excited that I was like just spending time with him, so I didn't vlog anything. Currently, right now, I am just having some dairy-free ice cream. Yay, yummy. Oh! It is the salted caramel cluster by So Delicious, and it really is delicious. It's really yummy. It's like my favorite ice cream. I like it better than like regular ice cream. It's so good. Anyway, so I'm just gonna have a chill night. I'm probably just gonna watch some YouTube. So I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Good morning, you guys. It is finally Friday, and I woke up this morning really hungry, so I made myself some breakfast. So I thought I would just show you guys what I am having. So I made myself some bacon and eggs, and then paleo waffles with fig jam on top of it. I was out of maple syrup, so this was like the next best thing, I think, that I could have. And then I am having a cup of coffee this morning. I don't usually have coffee on weekdays. I usually have my dandy tea, but I'm just really feeling a coffee today, so that's what's for breakfast. So today I still have to work, so I'll work from 7 to 4, but then before all of the snow gets here, Cameron and I are gonna go to the grocery store and just get some shopping done later this evening before all the snow comes, so that we can just stay in for a majority of the weekend and stay safe and have plenty of food. So, but other than that, today shouldn't be too eventful. So I'm just gonna eat my breakfast, and then I'm gonna sit down and do a little bit of work for a while. So yeah, another desk day for the most part. Those are every day, but you know, should be a pretty chill day. So we're currently at Barnes & Noble's buying some cool little educational books. And Target was way too crazy for me to film in there. It was literally packed. Like, it was hard to push the grocery cart around. So but we got pretty much everything we needed. So now we're just getting some books just in case the power goes out, so we have something to do. It's so cute. It looks like a little strawberry lemonade, but it's a strawberry habanero margarita. This lighting is not the best. In fact, it's quite terrible. But we just went and ate at a place called Bad Daddy's Burgers, and it was really good. So we've had quite an eventful evening. We went to Target and got all of our groceries for the weekend, so I don't have to worry about that. And then we went out to eat, and it was quite delicious. And now we're just sitting down and trying to find a specific movie called Minari. But we can't find it, so wish us luck. But we're just gonna watch a movie and have a really chill night in because it's been snowing, and tomorrow is when the weather is going to start to get really bad. Like, the snow is probably gonna start to stick on the ground, so we're just gonna have a chill night in. And yeah, so that's it for today. I'll catch up with y'all tomorrow. Good morning. Hey guys, so it's like 9:30 and I haven't filmed at all today because I kind of forgot. But we've had a really busy day. What did we do first? We went to the mall and we got some fabric for those chairs right there. I'm currently redoing them. So we got some fabric for that. Then we went out to eat at Red Rock, as you would have seen, for Valentine's Day. And then we've just made this cute little heart-shaped cake. And we're gonna eat that, and then we're probably gonna go to bed.
Good day.
Pretty chill Valentine's Day.
Hello.
It is Sunday morning. Well, just kidding. Sunday afternoon. It's like 3 o'clock. And the snow is really coming down. So we're probably gonna be snowed in for the next couple of days.